Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In most cases, walk-in appointments are unavailable. If your store has not reopened for in-store Genius support yet, it will be noted by a banner on its webpage. Find your nearest Apple store at apple.com/retail. If you choose curbside service, an Apple Genius will contact you with directions to your appointment.
Take our lead.
The 2 Apple stores near me typically are very busy and fully booked with appointments. So walk-ins may well find they cannot get service or may have to wait around for hours to catch a break in the line of those with appointments. Best to make an appointment to ensure you get help when you show up.
Take our lead.
Apple stores accept walk-ins for the Genius Bar, but wait times can vary widely depending on where you live, the time of day per week that you're visiting. The 2 fastest ways to make a Genius Bar reservation are through its support page or with the Apple Support app.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.